going to be showing you guys how you guys can send your Zoom's meeting link on your WhatsApp. Alright, so it's pretty simple, but for this you need to have Zoom app and WhatsApp app downloaded on your phone, which I've already done. This is my WhatsApp over here and this is my Zoom app over here, as you guys can see. So first step, you need to start a meeting or be on a meeting. Alright, so over here I'm going to start myself a Zoom meeting over here real quick. You guys can also do that. If you do not know how to start a Zoom meeting, you can watch this video to know how you guys can do that as well. First step, you open Zoom, click on new meeting, click on start meeting, alright? And your Zoom meeting should begin over here. So wait for some time and your Zoom meeting just began. So this is going to be my Zoom meeting. It's still not started. It says connecting, but once you get it, basically your Zoom meeting has started. Now, in order to invite people, you need to click on participants. Once you click on participants, at the bottom you can see invite. Click on invite. Now you can see where it says copy invite link. Click on copy invite link. Once you copy the invite link, you can paste it wherever you want. So let's say I want to, invite people from Messenger. I can go on Messenger and paste the link. But this video is for WhatsApp, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can do it. You can just go on WhatsApp over here. So I'm going to go on this number over here real quick. So I'm going to unblock this number real quick. I have blocked it. So I'm going to unblock it. So I'm going to paste the link which I just copied from my, Zoom meeting over here. Once I paste it, I'm going to send it. Now this guy can just click on this link over here and he can join my Zoom meeting over here, which is currently happening. But remember, if I click on end meeting for all, then basically my Zoom meeting will be ended and that person cannot join my, meeting, because even if he clicks on it, he can't join my Zoom meeting because the meeting would have already been ended and it's going to say invalid meeting ID, just like this. Alright, so the meeting has to be running in order for the person to click on the link and join.